Python is very easy to combine multiple iterable during iteration. So let's say we have this particular problem at hand. We have two lists here which we have names and their corresponding age. So let's say the age of Alice here is 24, Bob is 50, Charlie is 18, and David is 40. And we are to iterate through this list together and assign their corresponding names with their age. So let's say we print a success message whereby Alice is 24 years, Bob is 50, and so on. One way to do this is to do for name, comma, age, in then you use zip names and what age. So for name, age, and you use the zip function. So the zip function will take names here and map them to their corresponding age. So you supply the number of iterables you are using and then use the zip function. And over here, instead of printing name and age, we can print using f string, and we'll say name is equal to years old. So what we are doing here is say we take the first name is the first age years old. So let me print this so that you can have a proper understanding. So at the end of the day, you can see we are able to print Alice is 24 years, Bob is 50 years, Charlie is 18, and David is 40. So this is how easy you can do this in Python. If anytime you want to combine two iterables together, you can use the zip function and just supply in your iterables, and you receive them in a separate variables. Hope this helps you in your Python journey. If you like this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed yet, also subscribe, follow for more. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.